Biochemistry Department at MD Sharma PGIMS Rohtak, I came across innovative publications while I was looking for a publisher for my book, a textbook of biochemistry for paramedical students. I found the whole team, which is headed by Mr. Rakesh Pandit, very talented, dedicated and professional. Especially I want to mention the names of Mr. Chetan, Mr. Tarun, Ms. Lali. The work was so impressive that I decided to publish my second book, that is for dental students also, with the same publishers. So I wish the whole team of Innovative Publications all the very best and wish them all the success in life. And to